For our ancestors, the Gaelic Otherworld was not a distant or abstract idea. It was a vivid realm running parallel to our own, colourful, musical, carefree, and alive with its own pulse of magic. Gateways to this world were believed to lie in several places, beneath bodies of water such as springs, lakes, and the sea, or certain islands, and under the very earth itself, hidden within Ireland's hollow hills. Its dwellers were the Aos Sí, commonly known as the faeries. Yet their names were spoken only with caution, for to refer to them too directly risked offence, so people turned to gentler, reverent titles instead. Nadini Maha, the good people, Nadini Ushla, the noble folk. Lone fairy trees, such as those native to Ireland, whitethorn, rowan, or elder, were thought to be their dwelling places. Farmers would plough around those trees rather than cut them down, fearing the misfortune that might follow if such sites were disturbed. These quiet thresholds remind us still that the other world lies just beyond the edge of ordinary sight. Unlike the unseen landscapes within ourselves, it holds real influence and deserves our respect. In remembering this, we recover an old truth, that what remains invisible may yet shape us most deeply.